boy. What is he doing, huh? He's so cute. So cute. Look at her face. Good morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekend in my life vlog. It's Saturday. It's like almost noon. I actually got up and went to breakfast with my friends this morning, which was really fun. I have not been to like go eat breakfast like somewhere in a really long time, and I love breakfast. Like breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, like my favorite foods to eat. I love pancakes, I love eggs, I love hash browns, like all that good stuff. So that was so fun and it was really good to see them. I haven't seen them in a while, and I just got home actually, and I need to get a lot done. I feel like I say that all the time. I have so much that I have to get done, and I honestly don't even really know where to start. I guess one thing I really need to do is clean off my desk. This is literally what I have going on currently. Like this is just like stressing me out. There's like too much stuff going on. I have like all my school stuff here because I took it out of my purse down there to take to work the other day. So I just have like so much stuff. Oh, this is really cute. Let me show you guys what's in here. One of the girls that's in my program for teaching made these for all of us. I think it is literally like the cutest thing I have ever seen. So it's like a little like preschool survival kit. It's so freaking cute. I could not get over it. So she put like some little tissues in here. Tiny bottle of vodka, which is so funny to me. Sometimes you just need to have a little drink after a long day. So I'm sure that'll come in handy. And then there's like an emergency packet in here, some little chocolate and Advil, a little coffee packet thingamajigger. Cute. And then a bunch of cough drops. I think this is another little coffee packet. Yep. And a little hand sanitizer so that hopefully we don't get sick. And cough drops from when we actually do get sick. I just think it's the cutest thing ever. I love it so much. So I need to put some of this stuff away and literally like clean off my whole desk. I have like all of my folders out. My books are on my desk. It is all such a mess. So that's probably where I'm gonna start. I'm also so hot. It's like 80 degrees out today for some reason, and I thought it was gonna be cold, so I'm literally like in a big old sweatshirt and some biker shorts. I'll show you guys real quick. Eddie messed up my bed, but this is what I wore out. These need pulled down. This was the little outfit that I wore to breakfast. I just like threw on a sweatshirt and some biker shorts. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to go check it out, but it was just really comfy, casual. I thought it was gonna be hot out, or thought it was gonna be cold out, so I threw on a sweatshirt, but it ended up being super duper hot. So I'm gonna try and clean up my desk real quick and maybe do some cleaning. I really need to clean this weekend. My room's a mess, and I have like, you literally can't even see. I have so much laundry to do. It's like overflowing. I have my stuff to do, I have Eddie's stuff to do, so I need to start a little laundry and like just get some basic stuff done. Stop messing up my bed. Do you see what I have to deal with? I actually made it for once this weekend. I made it so nice, and then you always ruin it. It looks so nice, and now it's a mess. Are you really? No! Eddie! Quit it! That sounded like it hurt. Your hair looks a mess. I've just been sitting here editing for the past little bit, and it's almost done, so I'll be able to get that up for tomorrow. But this guy literally like can't, every time, this is why I don't make my bed, because every time I actually do make my bed, like for once I made my bed, it's been made for like a couple hours, and he literally already ruined it. Like why? Why? I took the time to make my bed, and you mess it up. Why? No, you won't. You won't make it right. You won't make it right. Just forget about it. But my video is almost about done. It's my college morning routine, so I'm about to upload this. Actually, I only have a couple more
that was hard
minutes to edit. This is not how I made it look. Let me just say that right now. Okay. Mine looked way better when I made it. These need like pulled up. Do you not know how to make the bed?
Wow, big difference.
It does make a big difference. It looks so much nicer. Okay, give it 5 minutes and he'll mess it up again.
Wow.
Oh, really?
I made it. I can do it.
Oh my gosh. This is about to be up, and then hopefully I can get a start on my homework and get some of that done today so I don't have as much to do tomorrow. Just wanted to show you guys my little to-do list for schoolwork. I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys, how I make my to-do list. So I use like a long sheet of paper normally because I fill up the whole sheet of paper with schoolwork. I do this pretty much every weekend, and I write down all of the stuff that I have due either like by this weekend, or this is most of the stuff that I have due this week. So I write down absolutely everything that I can think of that I have to do this week for homework, because I like to try and get as much done on the weekends as I can, so I'm not super stressed during the week when I have my actual classes. So I went ahead and wrote everything down, and then I color code it with my highlighters here. I will link these down below. I think I got them from like Walmart, and I'm obsessed with them. They're clicky highlighters, and they have like the cutest colors. So I always use those, and I color code my classes so I know what color represents each class, and then my observation stuff. So I have some presentation stuff to do, a lot of readings, and then just like some papers I need to do, and some other little assignments that I need to submit. I think this needs to be done by this weekend, and this needs to be done by this weekend, but the rest of it just needs to be done throughout the week. But I would like to be able to get like a good chunk of this done now, so I don't have to do it during the week. So I just wanted to show you guys my to-do list of the school stuff that I have to get done. I'm still uploading my video. It's taking forever to upload. It should be done hopefully soon so that I can get that ready for you guys tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start working on probably this little planning form that I have to do. I don't know if you guys want to hear more about my education stuff. I've realized like through comments and stuff that there's like actually quite a bit of you guys that watch me that like are teachers, or like in school to become a teacher, something like that, something along those lines. So let me know if you want to hear me talk more about the stuff that I'm doing for my classes, like the teaching stuff that I have to do, because I think it would be fun, and I also think it would be helpful and cool and different and unique to see like all the different things that I have to do compared to like maybe what you're doing. I don't know, I just thought maybe it'd be fun to share. But this planning form thing that I have to do for my one class is gonna also be like it'll be with my field experience also, but pretty much what we have to do is just like pick a material, whatever it may be. It could be, I don't know, like blocks, or like trying to think of some of the other stuff, different like sensory materials, or just like found materials, literally anything. Like we just pick a material that we want to use in our classroom, like something that is not already in our classroom, something that the teacher that our mentor teacher that we're with doesn't have in the classroom, that's not available to the kids. So we'll like pretty much introduce it to the kids and just kind of see what they do with it. But I have to submit a planning form for that. I don't think it's going to be too bad. I took a look at that like last night, and it just doesn't seem like it's going to take that long. So I think that'd be good to just like get out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to try and hopefully get that done. And then I still need to get ready for the day, because I'd like to go take some pictures, and we have plans tonight also, so I need to get ready at some point. Gotta get the entrance. Oh, look at this lighting! You see it? We just ran into Target and Ulta real quick. Eddie needed to get a gift for her sister for her birthday.
Yes.
Uncle Atson stops talking to me. Eddie's had it up to here with me right now because I made him take my picture. And he was just like not having it towards the end. He was like, okay, Alexa, like let's speed this along. I want to show you guys what I got really quick from Target and Ulta. We're getting ready to go meet Eddie's sister and his family and her friends and stuff to go eat some dinner. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry. We're gonna go out to eat for her birthday, and yeah, then we're gonna go on to Eddie's house tonight. But got some cute little shirts from Target. I got the same shirt in different colors. Hello, that's like the same thing that I always do. This is just like a black plain long sleeve shirt. It's like one of those that's like a little bit tighter, like it's not super baggy, it's just like, I don't know, a regular form-fitting top, but it's like really cute knit material, and it just like feels so nice and so warm and so comfy. So I got it in black because I don't have anything that's like a simple black top. And then I also got it in this really pretty, what color would you call this? Like a peachy color? Peach. Yeah, dark peach. That's perfect, actually. It's like a dark peachy color, which I think will be really cute too for the fall. I just like picture these with like some really high-waisted jeans that I have, and a cute little fall hat. So that will be cute. I just got those, and then I had a $10 gift card, so it literally cost me like $15 for the two of those. Thank you. Last thing I got was from Ulta. I needed this so bad. The self-tanning mitts that I use are like fine and all, but like I've literally broken like both of them. I usually just get like the cheap ones that Ulta has, but it like wasn't worth it because I've broken every single one, and I've been like super into self-tanning. It just makes me feel a lot better having like a little bit of color to me. So I wanted to get a new mitt because mine literally had holes all over. I'll show you guys next time I self-tan my mitt, but I ended up getting, oh, this is perfect. I got this one from Loving Tan. It was way more expensive. It's like $15. I'll link it down below for you guys, but it's like so worth it. I already know because the other ones just rip. This is like made, like you can tell how nicely made this is. Like you're not gonna rip a hole through it because it's like literally like a glove on your hand. It's perfect. So I'm so excited about this, to have one that isn't actually going to rip for once. So this should last me a really, really, really long time. That's my little haul for you guys, and we're getting ready to go to dinner. I'm so excited. Good morning, happy Sunday. It is like 2 o'clock right now. It's actually almost 2:30. I think I told you guys we went down to Eddie's house last night with his family, and that was really fun. I didn't vlog at all because I don't know, I just like to like spend time with family. So it was really fun. Eddie's filling up his tires with air right now. Actually, he just got his car back. So we're back in his car. We're both very happy. He was driving a different car for like pretty much the whole summer, and he just got his car back. It's a Jeep, and I love the Jeep, so I am a happy girl. He's happy, so that's pretty cool. But we're gonna go grocery shopping real quick, and then we are gonna head home. What you making?
My food.
And my food?
Nope, just mine.
What are you making for your meal prep?
Potatoes.
Both potatoes? Red potatoes? Sweet potatoes?
The sweet kind.
I just got done boiling some eggs. We always have hard boiled eggs in the fridge. What else? What else are you cooking? Oh, chicken. I just cooking chicken, then I have my ground turkey in the hot water so that it can thaw, so that you can cook it soon, nope. Right?
No.
That's why I love having you live here with me, because you cook my food on Sundays. We filled up the fridge. It's like literally so stocked, the best feeling ever. And I got everything all nice and organized in there. I just made myself an iced coffee to get me through the afternoon. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and start on some homework. Is that okay? Yeah. You stay down here while I go upstairs?
Yep.
I'm gonna go upstairs and start some homework. I have a presentation that I have to do for tomorrow, so I wanna get that done. And just all kinds of stuff. You know the drill. And then I also need to unpack my bag. Since we were at Eddie's last night, I had to pack my bag, so I'd like to get that unpacked and stuff. Luckily, we did the laundry yesterday and we started cleaning, which are like two of my big things that I like to get done on Sundays, my laundry and cleaning. And Eddie helped me clean yesterday, and I got the laundry done, so I don't have to do that today, which is like seriously so good. I'm thanking my yesterday self for doing that because it's saving me big time right now. I just wanted to show you guys our dinner real quick that Eddie just made. Thank you for making dinner. You're the best. You're always cooking for me. I have been so busy doing homework ever since we got home. So thank you for cooking and meal prepping for me and doing all that, because that's seriously like such a big help. And you helped me clean. You've been such a help this weekend. Thank you. But we both just have salads. I did the salads actually. So it's just like lettuce and some tomato and onion and feta. Did you laugh when I said salad because it's easy to make and you made the hard stuff?
No, food fell out of my mouth.
Oh, great. And then Eddie made us some rice. So this is just stir-fried rice, I think it is.
Yeah, but
it doesn't taste like stir-fry rice. It's very weird. But we have some chicken in here, some leftover chicken. This was literally just like a leftover dinner is what we did. Whatever we had left in the fridge that we needed to get rid of, we like just made dinner out of. So we have like some frozen veggies that he heated up and put in here, some chicken. Jasper's obviously wanting some food. Somebody has him trained to get food every time we eat. And then I think we have an egg in here, and I think that's it. But it is still pretty good, and I'm excited. We haven't eaten very healthy today. We had donuts for breakfast, so I'm happy to like have, yeah, I'm happy to have something like healthy in my tummy. So I'm ending today's vlog where I feel like I always end up ending it on Sunday nights in my room, in my bed actually, because I just finished my homework. It's like 11 o'clock and I literally just got it done. I had like a presentation, I had some readings to do, I had a lesson plan I had to make. There's just like so much. I'll share my little lesson plan with you guys this coming week before I do it in the classroom. But yeah, it was a lot. I didn't think it was going to be as much as it ended up being, and I definitely didn't think it was going to take me this long, but it's fine. I need to start doing my homework earlier in the weekends so that I'm not up super late doing it on Sundays. So maybe next weekend we'll be able to do that. I'm just gonna end my weekend vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below. Give this video a thumbs up for me. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.